Today we are revisiting the 2-liter Diet Coke no burp challenge. As you guys know that it's very hard to not burp when you're drinking Coca-Cola. Pretty much any soda that's like very carbonated, that's very highly carbonated. I've actually attempted this challenge like a little bit over a year ago, but when I did this challenge, it was an absolute fail. This is a very hard challenge, so shout out to people who I have saw complete it, like two legends, Matt Stoney, Balance. I feel like I need the redemption. I feel like we need to come back to this challenge because you guys already know we're not taking an L just like that. We're not taking an L just like that. It's been over a year since I've done this challenge, since I've attempted this challenge, and I'm feeling a lot better, a lot stronger, a lot more confident to do this challenge. This is 2 liters of Diet Coke without burping, guys. So I'm gonna need you guys to go down below, smash the like button before we actually get into this, because I don't know how this is gonna go. This could go well or really bad. Enough talking, let's go. Let's open up this Diet Coke. Let's hear it, the most satisfying sound ever. Wow, it just doesn't get any better than that. I don't know any other soda that competes with this, besides Sprite, the best sound. But here we go, guys. This is our 2-liter Diet Coke no burp challenge. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. This is hard. Extremely hard. Guys, I didn't know it was going to be this hard. This is hard. Yeah, this is just hard. Wow, guys, I think it's safe to say that this is just impossible for me. We obviously drink the Diet Coke, but in between I did I wouldn't say it was burp. Well, technically it is because it's the air, all the carbonation comes up and stuff like that. But it wasn't a full-on burp, but we technically failed. This is extremely hard. Shout out to the people who have actually completed this challenge. This is hard. If you guys watch my videos and stuff like that, you guys know I've chugged 1 billion 2 liters fast. You guys know I chugged it fast. But without burping, it's on a different level. This is hard. It's ridiculously hard. Hopefully in future videos, I will come back and reattempt this challenge. You guys already know that we're gonna come back for this. I'm not gonna stop till I actually do this challenge. This is attempt number 2 for the Diet Coke challenge. I have to come back and do this. If you guys somehow enjoyed this video, please smash the like button for this. This was extremely hard. I wish I had another 2-liter. If you guys have any other drinks you guys want to see me chug, or any video suggestions you guys want to see me do, make sure you guys go down below and spam the comments. Spam the comments on videos you guys want to see. Also, if you are not yet already subscribed, hit the subscribe button because we are 200 away from 4,000 subscribers also giveaway at 4K. Also, next to that subscribe button, make sure you guys turn on the post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. I'm still so mad this failed. That's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you're new. Stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we are not out because like we are definitely re-attempting this again. I don't care what anyone says.